The place where most people start in terms of interacting with crypto is called P2P. That stands for peer-to-peer. Bitcoin was made to be a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency. And in this particular video, I want to share with you the advantages of using Binance P2P and the way you can be able to navigate the site and get to buy your very first Bitcoin. Let's get those credits rolling. First and foremost, interacting on Binance P2P is completely free. I think the main reason for this is the fact that Binance want users to be able to start with a frictionless experience. So they make it free so that you can be able to start. Even with $10, you can get started on the platform. Advantage number 2 of Binance P2P is the escrow service. Because the people who you are interacting with, the peers you have on the platform, are people you don't know, sometimes that trust may not be there. Then Binance comes in and is a trusted third party where now when you're doing your transaction, you can be able to have the funds held by Binance. You do your fiat transaction to the other person, and then Binance releases the crypto now to you. Number 3 advantage of Binance P2P is the fact that there are so many fiat currencies supported on the site. Kenyan one, of course, is there, but there are over 100 currencies fiat that are supported, and then there are over 700 payment methods that are available. This is over and above what you would normally need. In your country, just check with your country currency and you'll see so many payment methods. This means that there's nothing that should stop you from interacting on the platform. And then if you're in Kenya, there are 6 cryptocurrencies that you can interact with on the platform. There are stable coins like USDT and BUSD. Then you have cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Solana. All this you can buy from other people on the platform. This gives you variety and you can be able to get started on any of the 6. And then number 4 advantage is just flexibility of amount. You can start from 1,000 shillings, so I typically just like saying $10. So you can start with $10 all the way to how much money do you have in your wallet, because there are merchants who are able to match all these amounts that you have to put into the Binance platform. If you don't yet have a Binance account, please use the first link in the description below. Sign up, it's completely free, and I'll also place a video up here just to show you the process on how to be able to sign up onto Binance. In order to do your trade on Binance P2P, there are 4 trading zones, and I'll explain them all for you. The first, which is the most common, and this is where you'll most likely be if you're not a very new trader, is P2P. This is a main zone where you'll be able to see the different adverts that other traders have placed and merchants have placed, all the details about every single trader, and you can be able to choose whoever you want who can be able to do the trade amount that you want. There are buy ads and there are sell ads. The buy ads are when you have fiat and you want crypto. The sell ads are when you have crypto and you want to change it to fiat. In technical terms, the buy ad is on ramp onto Binance, and the sell ad is an off ramp from Binance. The second zone for trading is called the express zone. This is where typically I usually send the newest of traders, because all you just need to input here is the amount of money that you want to transact, and then the platform does the job of giving you the best offer for that particular amount. So in my case here, I can come in and say I want to buy 2,000 shillings worth of USDT, and then it will show me this particular trader who I can actually buy from. And because I have placed how I want to do this particular trade, it shows me with that specific trader that I can be able to interact with. The third zone for trading is called block trade. Now, I know most of the time I talk about the smaller amounts of $10, but I know some of you may want to transact huge amounts. This is from $1,000 going up. You still can be able to do it via P2P. Go under block trade to be able to see the merchants who you can do this trade with. There are merchants who specifically just do block trades, and this is good for you because you don't need to search too much for them. They are already there and they're ready to trade with you those high amounts. But please make sure you have a Binance account. Then the fourth trading zone, which is also new here in Kenya, is called the cash trading zone. There are merchants who are opening up around your city who you can be able to transact with in cash, similar to what you would do with an MPESA agent. Now, what you need to do is go onto the platform and then change to cash and see who is doing cash, and then you can get in contact with them and do the transaction there and then. These options that are available to you just show you how much variety there is on Binance P2P. But before you do any trade, it's important to find out the qualities of a good counterparty. How can you be able to find trusted people on the platform? The first has to do with the number of trades that person has done. On the Binance P2P, what you see is a number of trades in the last 30 days. The higher this number, the better for you because it tells you this person is extremely active on the platform. The second is reviews. The higher the review, positive ratings that are available, of course, the better this person is. And the third has to do with either if they are a merchant or a normal trader. This I've put third because it is not a must to interact with verified merchants. It is just one additional trust factor that is there because Binance merchants actually go through an additional level of verification before they are given that yellow check mark. And so when you are interacting with a Binance merchant, you're interacting with someone that has taken the time and Binance knows them pretty well. The fourth thing is to check whether that person is online or not. Usually you'll find the trades have a green button on them, a yellow button, or a red one. So the green ones usually tell you that this person is online or has been online a few minutes ago. And so when you are interacting with this particular person, you'll get a faster response, especially when it comes to release. And speaking of release, that's the next, where you'll now check on the statistics of that particular person. How long do they usually take when it comes to releasing coins or it comes to paying if you're doing a sale ad as well. These are the things to check when you want your trade to go pretty fast. Of course, if you find my trade, which is usually under this name, then you can interact with me, of course, as well. The next thing is, how can you be able to do a Binance P2P transaction? First of all, of course, you already need a verified Binance account. And when you go onto your homepage, if you don't see the homepage I'm showing right now, then most likely you are on Binance Lite. So go to the top left, click on that profile icon, and then just at the top, change from Binance Lite to Binance Pro. That will bring you to this particular homepage. The top may look a little different for all of you, but just in the middle here, you can see it says P2P trading. That's where you actually click on, and now you can see the currencies that are available in your local currency. If you can't see your local currency, just go to the very top and change from the currency that is there right now to the one that is supposed to show your country. Then the next thing now is put in the amount of money that you want to send to your counterparty. First, we haven't even chosen the crypto itself. That's not a problem. This will apply across the board. So here, put in the amount and then put the payment method that you want to use to send to them. So once you have done that, then the next thing now is go to the crypto that you want to buy. It can be USDT, BTC, Ethereum, BUSD, or whichever other cryptocurrency it is. Of course, I've just said Binance Coin as well as Solana exist for the Kenyan market. So you choose the one that you want. For us, we want to buy Bitcoin. And in this case, I've put in 1,000 shillings. So it will give me all the traders that I can be able to buy from. The next thing that I'll see here is pick the one that you want to transact with. When you are doing a buy ad, the ones at the very top are the cheapest for you, meaning you will get the most crypto for the money that you have. Please note that the prices that you are getting on P2P may be just a little higher than the market on spot, because on P2P, these are people who are doing a business as well. So the amount may be up by like 1, 2, or 3%. But not to worry, if we are buying our BTC, we're not buying just to sell right now. We are buying and holding, and the amount will be a little higher with time. So the next thing after this is we have chosen our trader, and now we will get their payment details. This is usually a secret, that's why you're seeing it blurry here. But now once we have sent the money, which is not sent on the platform, it is actually done off the platform, we will send them this money and then come back to the platform within the payment time that has been stated above, and say that we have transferred and that Binance should notify the seller. Once the seller has been notified, the next thing they do on their end is check if they have received the money in their own mobile wallet or bank account, whichever it is. And then after they have received this, they will confirm that they have received, and they will release the money to you. Once they have released the crypto to you, it's not yet in your spot wallet. And the spot wallet, like I have explained before, is the wallet that does everything. So what you do is go to the bottom right, click on wallets, and you will see under funding, that's where your funds currently are. This is for Binance Pay and Binance P2P. Now we need to transfer the crypto that you have bought from the funding wallet to the spot wallet. So you'll just click on transfer and then say from funding to spot, and then put mark so that it transfers the whole amount. And then once you have clicked on confirm, it will send that amount to the spot wallet. That is pretty simple. Now when you click at the very top, when you click on spot, it will show this amount of Bitcoin that was just in our funding wallet is now in the spot wallet. And now if you want to know how to make money as you sleep using Binance and this amount that we just bought, please watch this video right now that will show you how Binance Earn works. I'll see you in the next one.